Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like. I think it's giving what it needs to give. Let's just do like a quick little photo stash. Quick photo stash. Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So today's going to be a talk through hair video just because today's video is going to be simple AF per usual. So today we're not going to use any glue, we're not going to use any spray or anything like that to adhere this unit down. It is a closure unit guys, and it is a pre-cut lace unit. So this is my first time collaborating with this company guys, and the company is called Sunber Hair Company. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. I think I am, but you guys will get all the information down below. So this unit is like a wavy textured unit guys. Now I did go ahead and co-wash this unit ahead of time so that I can let it air dry out so you guys can get the full effect of the curls. I did add a little product to the hair, so I'll show you guys the product that I use. But this is what the hair looks like guys. It is pre-cut lace, so I didn't do anything to this guys. I didn't bleach this one, I didn't tweeze it, I didn't do anything to it. The unit also did come with baby hairs already pre-done on it, so there are baby hairs already pre-cut and everything on this unit. So not only is this unit a pre-cut unit, they already actually pre-styled it, meaning tweezing it, and also cut the baby hairs for you. So this unit did come in a side part. I just turned into no, it came in the middle part and I turned into a side part. So you guys can see it's a good amount of lace right here guys. You get a good amount of space. You can do a middle part and a side part. You guys can see the side part I did is a nice little side part on the side, very cute. And the hair is very undetectable guys. You won't be able to see anything on the sides, which I like. Another thing I like about this unit, it does have combs in it, which makes it a little bit more secure. There's two combs right here and there's a small comb in the back as well too, and obviously the adjustable strap. I already adjusted this one all the way to the end just because I have like a medium kind of small head in a way. So for me, I just make sure that mine is pretty secure, especially because it's glueless and I don't want no slide back or anything like that. So let me go ahead and pop this unit on for you. Alright guys, so like I said, I did go ahead and adjust the strap in the back of this one. So once I put it down, I just go ahead and pull the strap in the back down a little bit. Now the nice thing about this unit guys, it does have combs in it. So I am going to go ahead and push the comb on both sides underneath my cap just to make sure that it's pretty secure. The unit's going to be secure no matter what guys, just because it has an adjustable strap on it. The adjustable strap is just a lifesaver with these pre-cut glueless AF units. So let me go ahead and put the comb in the back on too, just to make sure I'm secure in the back. And the wig cap fits perfect. Like I said, in most of my hair videos, I'm a medium to average cap size. So this one fits very well. And you guys can see, look at how gorgeous these curls or waves are. It's kind of like a mix of curls and waves. And like I said, I let this unit air dry. So I washed it, I co-washed it, add a little product in it, and I just let it air dry. So this is what it looks like with nothing done to it. I did not tweeze this unit guys. I didn't play with these baby hairs or cut these baby hairs. This is how it came. So on this side, you kind of see, I could have put like a little bit of a light layer right here, but I'm actually gonna leave it that way. There's like a little extra hair right here, which I'm just gonna kind of like tuck behind my ear and then pull it through, so it kind of has like that effect, just that little piece of hair, just to kind of make it, you know, give it that little bit of effect. But you guys can see right here, very nice. So what I'm gonna do with these baby hairs, I'm just gonna like fix them up, kind of like brush it to the side. I'm not gonna glue this unit down. I feel like it air dried perfectly where I don't have to do all the extra stuff. I feel like this is the look, like this is the final look, like dead serious final look. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little product on the baby hair. Let me go ahead and get the baby hair brush and show you guys how I just do that real quick, and then literally that is. Alright guys, so after further evaluation, I realized that I really don't need to plaster the baby hairs down. The baby hairs are super fluffy looking and they look really, really cute along with the hair. And I want to mention that the density of this hair is a very nice density as well. I'm not sure if it's because I air dried it upside down that it caught a lot of volume, but the hair is very, very full guys, and very, very pretty. So I'm not going to do anything with the baby hairs. I'm going to leave them like they are. They just look really nice and natural. I just want to mention that this lace, by the way, is very, very nice. I took some pictures and it's just giving scalp. Like, it looks really good, and like I said, I did not touch this lace whatsoever. They gave it to me, sent it to me, perfectly done, so you don't have to do anything guys. Same day install. And for the ones that are popping in here right now and don't believe me that this is not glued down, just watch. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna use a tweezer because I can't locate one of my combs, but there you go guys. It's a glueless unit. You guys don't see any glue on this unit whatsoever. You can lift it up and put it right back down with no effort, guys. Absolutely love this one. So what I'm gonna do is just spray like a little bit of hairspray spritz, like a mini size spritz around it, just to kind of maintain some of the styling of it so the curls don't kind of loosen up so that they have character. I really like the fact that this unit is glueless, so I could take this off at nighttime and I'm not gonna lose any of this style, any of this volume. You guys know when it comes to curly units, I don't play around with it. Like, I'll rock it just like this and not try to play with it all day just so that I can maintain the style. And at nighttime, all I gotta do is hang it up, and the next day I pop it back on. It's still gonna give the same effect. I absolutely love that. So I just use a little spray just to kind of hold the style. So basically what I'm just doing is trying to hold the style in. So as far as the leave-in conditioner that I use the African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and Baobab oil. I hope I said that right. Embarrassing. And this is the Hydrate and Straightening Leave-in Conditioner Cream. So I use this one on the hair. This is what I did when I co-washed it. I just put some of this product in the hair and let it air dry. And this is the final result. I did add a little bit on top just to kind of make sure it wasn't frizzing. But this hair is not really frizzy, guys. So I'm actually shocked about that. It's not as frizzy I would think. Just because this is kind of like a water wave, wavy, curly type of texture. So it's that in between, like the perfect type of curl. So I really, really love it, guys. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. I want to say thank you to Sunber here for sending me this unit, guys. Absolutely love this unit, guys. I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code. If you are looking for a last minute vacation wig, something that's not going to be glued down, that's very pretty, very simple and straight to the point, this is definitely the perfect unit for you guys. I'm very, very satisfied. I feel like this length, everything about it is just the perfect look. I am so happy the hair is not super long. I feel like this length is just giving what it needs to give, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.